Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So as in this video I'm going to show you how can you fix payment not completed in your App Store in your iPhone. So as if you're facing this problem and you are unable to pay your payment in your iPhone, here I will show you how can you fix it. So first of all, go back to your home screen and here I will give you some possible solutions that can help you to fix this problem. So the very first solution is that you have to simply verify your payment method in your device. So as if there is any mistake in your payment method, simply verify it and fix it, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not. So for that, simply open settings in your device, open your Apple ID, and from here tap on your payment and shipping and wait for some seconds here. Enter your Apple ID password. And after this, sign in your Apple ID in your device. So as from here you have to simply verify your payment method in your device. So as simply verify your payment method, and if there is any mistake you have to simply correct it. So as after this, go for the next step, that is you have to simply update your device to the latest version. So as from here, scroll it below and tap on general and tap on software update and check if there is any update available for you. So I simply update the device, and after this go back, and from here you have to simply turn off the VPN in your device if there is any connected VPN in your device. So I simply tap on general, scroll it below and tap on VPN and device management, and if there is any connected VPN in your device, simply disconnect it and check if the problem is fixed or not. So if you're still facing this problem, then go for the other solution, that is you have to force restart your device for one time. So I simply go back to your home screen, and from here press and release the volume up button and then down, and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. So I'll force restart the device and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if you're still facing this problem, then go for the other solution, that is you have to simply change your password for your Apple ID. Open your settings, tap on your profile, and from here tap on sign in and security. So as from here tap on change password, enter your iPhone passcode, and from here you have to simply change your password for your Apple ID. So I simply change the password for your Apple ID, and after this you have to sign out your Apple ID in your device for one time. So I simply change the password and sign out your Apple ID in your device for one time, and after this you have to simply restart your device and you have to add your Apple ID again in your device to fix this problem. So I simply add your Apple ID again after restarting your device, and hopefully after this your problem will be fixed. So that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.